Hello my students, this is P. Venkateshwarlu, PGT Physics, Dinandar Public School. In previous video, we already discussed electric potential due to a single charge. Okay, so what's that my dear children? Electric potential due to a point charge. See in this from the derivation, so we have to get work done. That work done is equal to potential is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r. Okay, it's clear my children? Yes. Okay, see here we know electric field. Electric field means what? Force acting per unit charge. So this we have to return 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r square. Okay, so there is a relation between potential and electric field. So we have to represent it. So in the form of relation, V is directly proportional to 1 by r. Means V is inversely proportional to r. And E is inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. So this we have to represent in the form of graph, my children. Say this is the graph between R and V and E. Okay, electric potential and electric field. So consider electric potential. Okay, so electric potential. This dotted line represent electric potential. And thick line indicates electric field intensity. Okay, see here E inversely proportional to R square. Dotted line represent V inversely proportional to R. Okay, so this is about graph. Between electric potential and electric field intensity. Example 4, my children. Example 4. What is the electrostatic potential at the surface of silver nucleus of diameter 12.4 Fermi? Atomic number Z for silver is 47. So in this case, given data, they given this diameter of the nucleus 12.4. Okay, example 4, diameter D is equal to 12.4. Okay, Fermi. So in the given problem, they given diameter in the form of Fermi, atomic number. Okay, so from this we have to find potential in the example. Okay, see here. We know that here they didn't given charge. We know that charge is equal to ZE. Okay, it's clear. 47 into what is E value? 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulomb. So 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulomb. Okay, it's clear. Then 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 9 into 10 power 9. So then radius Fermi is 10 power minus 15. Okay, see 6.2 12.4 by 2 into 10 power minus 15 meters. Okay, it's clear, my children. So rearrange this. R is equal to 6.2 into 10 power minus 15 meters. Okay, so what is the required formula here? V is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R. Okay, so 9 into 10 power 9, my children. 47 into 1.6 into 10 power minus 90 divided by radius 6.2 into 10 power minus 15. Okay, 10 power minus 15. So rearrange this, my dear children. See here 9 here minus 9 gets cancelled, minus 10 is there. Okay, here minus 10, here minus 10, minus 5 is there. Okay, it's clear. Rearrange this 9 into 47 into 1.6 into this 10 power minus 5 will have to take in numerator 10 power plus 5, 10 power 5 divided by 6.2. Okay, so after cancel 1.07 into 10 power 7 volts. Okay, my children, it's clear? Yes. So 1.07 into 10 power 7 volts. Example 5, my children. A point charge Q is placed at a point O, as shown in the figure. Is the potential difference VA minus VB is positive or negative or zero? If Q is positive, Q is negative. Okay. So here, coming to the diagram, my children. Example 5. Okay. So this is the diagram. Here A, here B. Okay. So here ask positive and second one negative. Okay, children. Okay, here consider 2 points A and B. Okay. See here we have to find potential difference. Potential difference between O and A and O and B means, suppose V suffix A means electrostatic potential due to A. Okay, due to A, my children. Here the distance between O to A we are denoted RA. Okay, so 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, charge is Q, distance is RA. Okay, next V suffix B, electrostatic potential B with respect to charge Q. The distance between O to B we have to take RB. Now we have to write electrostatic potential 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by RB. This is equation 2. So according to question, they given VA minus VB is positive, 0 or negative. We have to find. Okay. So what is VA from this data? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R A minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by RB. Okay, rearrange this 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by 4 pi epsilon naught 1 by RA 1 by RB. Okay, see here in this case we have to observe RA is less than RB. Okay, if RA less than RB, okay, it must equal to 1 by RA is greater than 1 by RB. Okay, it's clear. If RA less than RB, 1 by RA greater than 1 by RB. Okay, must be. Okay, means the term complete this term is positive. Means VA minus VB is equal to Q by 4 pi epsilon naught 1 by RA minus 1 by RB is positive. Okay, is positive. It's clear. So coming to when potential negative and when potential is positive. Okay, so if Q is positive means Q is greater than 0. Q is greater than 0. VA minus VB positive. Okay, it's clear. If Q is negative means Q is less than 0. VA minus VB is negative. Okay, it's clear, my children. So electrostatic potential due to a system of charges. Electrostatic potential due to system of charges means, so before that, before video we have to consider one charge. For that we have to find electrostatic potential. In this case we have to take number of charges. For number of charges, what is the total electrostatic potential? Okay, see, we will explain how to discuss. Okay, see, my children, I will explain. So consider a test charge. That is B. Okay, so consider different charges, Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, and so on, Qn. Okay, the distance between test charge to Q1 is R1. Okay, R1P. So the distance between test charge to Q2, R2P. The distance between P to Q3, R3P. The distance between P to Q4, R4P. The distance between Qn, RNP. Okay, understand? So for a single charge, what might say that V is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R. Okay, for n number of charges. Okay, for n number of charges, so we have to use superposition principle. Using superposition principle, so we obtain the resultant potential at a point P due to total charge configuration at that algebraic sum of the potential due to individual charges. Okay, see here we have to add algebraic sum of the total potential due to individual charges. Okay, it's clear, my children. Means V resultant V is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3 and so on plus Vn. Okay, see, this is resultant potential. What is V1? My children? Okay, so Q1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 1 by R1P. Next plus V2, Q2 by 4 pi epsilon naught 1 by R2P. And then V3, Q3 by 4 pi epsilon naught 1 by R3P and so on. Okay, here the common thing is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. So how to write? Q1 by R1P plus Q2 by R2P and Q3 by R3P and so on plus Qn by RNP. Okay, so this we have to write in the form of summation. V is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, summation I is equal to 1 to n Ri by Qi by RIP. Okay, my children. So this is the required formula. Okay, this is the final formula, my children. Okay, it's visible somewhat. Wait, my children. So finally, V is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught summation I is equal to 1 to n, I is equal to 1 to n, qi by rip, qi by rip minus n. Okay, so v is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, summation I is equal to 1 to n, qi by rip, r suffix ip. So this is the final expression, my dear children. Example 6. 2 point charges of 4 microcoulomb and minus 2 microcoulomb are separated by a distance of 1 meter in area. Find the location of a point on the line joining the two charges where the electric potential is 0. Okay. So the meaning of this question is, consider two charges, separated distance is 1 meter. Okay, between we have to introduce another test charge. Okay, where the electric potential, the net electric potential is 0. Okay, it's clear. So the charges are, example 6, charges are Q1 is equal to 4 microcoulomb, Q2 is equal to minus 2 microcoulomb, which are separated by 1 meter in area. Okay, see here, it is Q1 4 microcoulomb and this is Q2 minus 2 microcoulomb. So the distance is 1 meter, in which third charge, you have to take third point charge which is placed between the two charges. Okay, say it is x distance from the A. Okay, and from B to test charge 1 minus x. Okay, it's clear. Two charges, Q1 and Q2, A and B. So distance is 1 meter, we know that. Here the question is, you have to introduce another test charge between them. Then the electrostatic potential is 0. Where you have to take that point, that in that place the resultant electrostatic potential is 0. Okay, it's clear now. Okay, electrostatic potential VAO is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught VAO between A and O. Okay, so what is the charge? 4 into 10 power minus 6 by x. This is equation 1. So next, VBO means between test charge and another charge. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught minus 2 into 10 power minus 6 divided by 1 minus x. Okay, 1 minus x minus 2. This is equation 2. The condition is the sum of the electric potential is 0. Okay, and V is equal to VAO plus VBO. Okay, according to condition, according to question 0 is equal to VAO plus VBO. Okay, in this case we have to find x. Okay, x you have to find, then that is the answer. Okay, so rearrange this. 0 is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 4 into 10 power minus 6 by 1 x minus, because here minus is there, minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 2 into 10 power minus 6 1 minus x. Okay, it's clear. By 4 pi epsilon naught here everywhere common. Okay, and 10 power minus 6 also common. 10 power minus 6 and 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught we can send left side. Okay, so we have to get from this 0 is equal to 4 by x minus 2 by 1 minus x. Rearrange this. 2 by 1 minus x is equal to 4 by x. So rearrange this. 2x is equal to 4 into 1 minus x. 2x is equal to 4 minus 4x. Okay, rearrange this. So we have to get 2x plus 4x is okay. 2 3s, 2 4s. Okay. After this, we have to the cancellation of 2 3s, 2 2s. 3x is equal to 2. X is equal to 2 by 3. 2 by 3 meters. From the x, from A. It's clear? From A. Understand, children? Here, from A to 2 by third distance. 2 by third distance, we have to place one charge where electrostatic potential must be 0. Okay, it's clear, my children? The question is, consider two charges. So we have to place another test charge between that at any point where the total electrostatic potential is 0. Okay, so from here 2 by third meter, we have to get electrostatic potential is 0.